Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It's me Saveria, your English teacher. I hope everyone is doing well. As you all know that we are done with the reading of the lesson Light in the Night. Today I'm just going to give you the explanation. So we are going to start off with a short outline that what was in the lesson basically. So in this lesson, the poet narrates the history of advancement of street light in the early 1700s in London. As we all know that there were no lights all over the London, so people used to take street lights with them. It depicts the life of people and the difficulties faced by them before the invention of street lamps. So there were a lot of difficulties while they used to move around, or as you know that when हमारी light चली जाती है तो we cannot see. The same was the case with the people at that time. Like जब रात हो जाती थी तो they were unable to move and they had to have the street lights with them. During that time, people would socialize under the moonlight. So as we know that the moonlight is a very good source of light. So at that time, if a person wants to meet someone else, they used to meet under the moonlight. After that, they began to hire torchbearers for themselves to be safe in the street. So what that means, torchbearers, the people who used to hold the torch for them. So when they pass by through the streets, they can easily go and they have the light, because there were a lot of people जो वहाँ पे उनको kidnap कर लेते थे, उनसे चीजें they used to rob them. So they wanted to be on the safer side and they started just hiding the people for them to hold the torch for them. Gradually, the street lamps advanced and many people found their jobs because of the regular need of maintenance. So as we know that even now during this time, we need people for the maintenance of the things like the street lamps the street lights that are all over the roads. They need maintenance. अब ये तो नहीं है कि हमने लगा दी or we don't need to check them. So we need to check them regularly. So same is the case that with the passage of the time, the street lamps advanced and many people found their jobs. कि electricity invent हो गई and the street lamps wanted to be get it maintenance done. So they just wanted people to do their maintenance, so they created a lot of jobs. Street lamps were replaced by the gas lamps. Now when you ask your parents, उनको पता होगा कि अभी भी कुछ time पहले in Pakistan we also used to use gas lamps. Like अगर light चली जाती थी तो there used to be a lamp that was burned by the gas. So now the street lamps were converted by the gas lamps. Kingston, even now, like even right this time, Kingston Palace, that is in London, depicts ancient history of the old street lamps. Like there are few street lamps that are already present over there, and that provides the ancient history of the old street lamps, that how the lamps were there in the old times and what was the benefit of this. Thank you. I hope everyone have understood. If there is any query, kindly message me on my own number. Thank you.